Hey guys, it's Mike with All American down in Savannah, Georgia, and today we are giving away some free stuff. All right, like I've made mention in a few other videos, we are giving away a 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow soft wash pump. These things are outstanding, probably one of the best pumps that we've used, and I've been doing this for a very long time. I like the 5.5 gallon per minute better than the 7 gallon per minute because there is less overflow, overspray, runoff when you're doing roof jobs. So one lucky subscriber is going to win this pump. That's a caveat. You have to be a subscriber. You have to leave a comment below and tell me why you should win this thing. So one lucky person, one lucky subscriber is going to be winning that pump. 2 folks are going to be winning these adjustable soft wash nozzles. This is what we use on all of our 12 volt systems, and these things are great. You can go from long range to a fan tip, so basically a 0 degree tip to a 60 degree tip with the twist of a thumb, as opposed to fumbling up on top of a roof or on the end of a ladder with couplings and J-rods. So these things are awesome. We'll be giving 2 of these away. Again, you gotta be a subscriber to win, and you gotta leave a comment below. That is it. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Watch some of the other ones, leave us comments, give us thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you wanna win, but more importantly, have a great day.